Atkins Civil 3D video series, existing 2B, existing topo drawing. This video illustrates A. Create temp topo drawing, B. Flatten survey points to elevation 0, C. Draft existing topo, non-civil 3D objects, and D. Create existing topo drawing using W block. The drafting of the existing topo objects needs to be performed in a new drawing. The survey points drawing is saved as temp topo drawing. Select the Save As icon. Select a desired folder for the drawing. Type in temp topo drawing. And save. All existing topo objects are drawn at elevation 0. Flatten the survey points to elevation 0. Settings, expand point styles, right-click topo elevation, edit, Civil 3D geometry tab, point display mode, flatten points to elevation 0, apply, OK. Repeat for the control and topo elevation freeze points. Spot check several point elevations. Type ZW to zoom window. Select location and plan where there are several points. The magenta color points are the topo elevation points. Cyan are the control points. Yellow are the topo elevation freeze points, which also have the XXX in their description. Type ID for point properties command. Use F3 to toggle back and forth between object snaps on and off. With object snaps on, the point label will display 451.01, but the point in the drawing is 0.00. Select several more points, and again, the point in the drawing is different than what's shown on the label. Use settings to reset the point to the actual elevation. Right-click topo elevation, edit. Use point elevation, apply, okay. The topo elevation points were reset to the actual. Again, enter ID for the point properties command. The point label and elevation are the same. Check other topo elevation points. Again, the point label and the plan elevation are the same. Check a control point elevation. The label shows 454.33, but the plan is 0. Topo elevation freeze point. Again, the plan is 0. Reset the topo elevation freeze back to 0. Apply. Okay. Check a topo elevation point. ID. Okay, it's back to 0. To reduce drawing clutter, turn off the display of point numbers and elevation. Settings, point, expand label styles, right-click topo elevation, edit. In the layout tab, point number, visibility, false. Point elevation, visibility, false. Apply, OK. Repeat for the control and topo elevation freeze points. All existing topo objects are drawn on the EX layers. Use the ribbon layer control to scroll and select the current layer for the object being drawn. For this example, the layer EX Road ETW will be selected as a current layer. Zoom to an area in the drawing for drafting the edge of existing road pavement. Enter L to start line command or PL to start polyline command. PL, enter. With object snap on, pick each point of a tangent section, starting or stopping at the beginning or end of a curved section. Depress enter to stop the command. For curved sections, use arc command. A, enter. As prompted, pick the end point of a tangent line, the mid survey point of the curve, the end point of the other tangent line, and depress enter. Use polyline edit command to join the tangent and curve sections into a single polyline. PE, enter. Pick a tangent line, select join, pick the curve section, pick the other tangent line, and depress enter. Make appearance of polyline uniform throughout its entire length. Pick polyline. In Properties palette, select Line Type Generation enabled. During the performance of the drafting work, periodically save the temp topo drawing. For the purpose of this video, the completed temp topo drawing for the Kincaid tutorial project is shown. After completion of the existing topo drafting work, freeze the survey point layers. Use Layer Manager command LA Enter. Scroll to the C3D survey layers. Pick the first survey layer. Hold Shift key and pick the last survey layer. Pick the freeze icon and close Layer Manager. Make a copy of the existing topo objects. Zoom extents, ZE enter. Use right block command, WB enter. Browse to select the folder for the new drawing. Enter the drawing name, existing, topo, DWG, save, select objects. Use window to select all topo objects. Enter. Base point, leave it 0, 0. OK. Include AutoCAD map information, no. Using this procedure creates an existing topo drawing having minimum layers and minimum size that is XREF into the various construction drawings. Any changes made to the topo drawings will automatically be updated in the construction drawings. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.